Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS launcher on this Android. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in iOS launcher. Now download this free app from this developer and choose Open. Following that, wait for the pop-ups to show up and when they do, select Allow. So while using the app, allow, and now just click Home button. Come on, button. Over here you need to choose Remember My Choice, then click on iOS Launcher and tap on Got It. After that, tap on OK, and as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. You can always though switch between them by going into device settings, then choosing apps over here, manage apps, and after that clicking on those three dots at the top right corner. Now select default apps, click on launcher and switch between system or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!